Hi darlings, let me teach you how to make unripe plantain porridge, green plantain. Now plantain is a staple food in most West African countries like Nigeria, Ghana and Cameroon, and you most probably know that it contains lots and lots of health benefits. Do me a favor, please check them off, alright? Thank you. Okay, let's just start by peeling our plantain. Now, there's this village part of me that doesn't just go anywhere. Okay, when it comes to food, I am village to the core. I do it the way we grew up doing it in the village. So just washing my plantains, and then I'm going to peel them just the way I grew up peeling them. This is more like the customary way of peeling plantain in my village. Please peel your own the city way, okay? The plantain I'm making is actually plenty. This one is just few pieces to show you how I peel my plantain. I'm cooking plenty because my big sister barrister, oh my god, that woman, she can eat this plantain morning, afternoon, evening, every day. That's how much she likes plantain. You kids. Okay, now do you see this scraping I'm doing right there? That crack 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 thing going on there. It is also traditional in the sense that they say this thing I'm scraping off the plantain, all right? You might not do your own, but we usually do it like that. This thing on the knife. So you put it back in the pot because it helps to thicken your porridge as you cook. Just one more peel and then we go over to the rest of the ingredients. Thank you. By the way, you're welcome to my delicious moments. Hope you're having a nice time. This is what we are using for this delicious recipe. This is bush meat. I don't know how many of you know bush meat. Bush meat is bush meat. That's how I know it. That's bush meat. Those are pieces of bush meat. It's so fresh and clean and fresh and clean and fresh and clean. And now this is the fish we're using for the just this two fish. I'm using the spices and that stuff. I'm blending that up. The meat has been washed, the fish deboned. Now let's incorporate them. The fish. This is seasoning cubes, dry pepper and salt. And this is the pepper mix I blended. Add some water, enough to cook the plantain. And who knows this spice? I know you know it. This spice, one of my favorites. I just got a piece of it, wash it, clean it up, and then nestle it in there. It does a lot of good work in the body. I love it. So I always use it almost always in my plantains. So I just nestle it in there and pour some good palm oil. No smell, no color, nothing. Just clean palm oil, good one. So I remember I had this fish and I quickly prepped it, and let's just add it up. Okay. Cover the pot and let it cook. Look at this boil. You know, as if I'm using firewood though. Okay, we just quickly see what's going on here. Let's check the progress. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time here. God bless you. The oil looks like it's not enough, but it's enough. By the time it has cooked properly, it's going to be okay. We don't want too much of oil. Now, people, can you please come with me to my garden to get some fresh bitter leaf? We want this green accent in the plantain porridge. Oh my god. So have you ever heard of bitter leaf that is not really bitter? This is that type. It's just there, just mild. So I just washed it. Look at that beautiful leaf. So fine, so greenish, full of life. So I just slice this and pour it over the pot. That's all. No squeezing because it's not necessary. Thank you for subscribing and turning on your bell notifications. Thank you. Appreciate you. Okay, so far, do you see how simple this recipe is? Just straightforward, no force. See our plantain, so fine. Just pouring in my bitter leaf. You can use scent leaf, you can use a Caesar leaf. What is that called in English? You can use whatever. Just twist this recipe to suit your preferences. But just make sure you're eating enough of plantain. That's the point. Okay, now this is the definition of a good meal. Be good always, okay? Bye.